This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Heidi French. New construction craftsman style home with a mountain view. One-level living, open floor plan with luxury vinyl plank. Flooring throughout. Detailed trim work, crown molding and beautiful coffered ceilings in the living room and primary bedroom. The kitchen has a large island, stainless steel appliances with double oven, quartz countertops and a pantry. Multi-function room for office/den. Spacious sunroom with views and access to a deck. Large garage with 18 by 8 feet door. Greenway with short walking trails in subdivision. Minutes from Highway 411. For more information, review the details below or contact Heidi French at 865-342-4200.